What's going on? It's Crafty here. Before the video begins, I just want to say anything you see on this video is not financial advice. It is nothing but an idea. That being said, I have a pretty good idea why I think Tesla could go to $1,800 to even 2,000 before Christmas, before the year ends. Um, right here, this is Plug. Um, I've made a video on this before, like over a year ago. So this is called the parabolic curve. It's very simple. There's 4 steps to it, and then basically the 5th step is the sell point, and it's basically just a massive curve. There's a ton of money to be made on here. Um, I have a Discord. I'll put the link in the description. It's completely free. I post plays in there. It's kind of just a big hangout. But anyway, all my members know about these parabolic curves. So this is Plug, and you can see the 4 steps here. And then you have your 5th step going just insanely high. This right here was at $36. And then news came out. And there's a reason I'm talking about this. Stay with me here. I'm going to cover a lot in a short amount of time. So right here, Walmart will now deploy Plug Power's fuel cells to help with its e-commerce distribution network. And right here, this stock, it went from $31 all the way to 56 that closing day, and then ended up peaking around $75. And I think this total move from the beginning of the parabolic curve was like a 962% gain. So, that being said, I took a screenshot of this here, and um, I put this here so that way you guys can see this. So I'm gonna pull up Tesla real quick. And Tesla on the 180-day 4-hour chart, you could see that it basically did our parabolic steps 1, 2, 3, 4, our crank higher to step 5. Now I have a measured move up coming up here towards this week. We should see about 1280. I'm looking for about 1350. So then that's our measured move. After that, I would love to see a dip from 1350 here to 1280. Drawing too far in the time frame here. Up here. And then back to Plug. You can see this chart. Remember our news theory right here with Walmart. So Tesla, if I put this on a 3-year weekly time frame, we are also parabolic stepping. Of course, this is all after the split. Um, you can see we have I'll go ahead and draw it out here. My face is in the way. Okay, there's our step 1. There's our 2. 3, our step 4. Now you got to remember, step 5 is way up top. It completely leaves step 4 back from where it started. So now, step 5 is the measured move is just completely way up here towards 2000. And then I wanted to show you, look how the curvature, like on the shorter time frame, how it's just completely just going straight up. It's following that parabolic curve, that parabolic move. And if you've been on Twitter recently, there's tons of talk that Musk is planning on splitting Tesla. He's been dropping Easter eggs. It's 12/9 he keeps talking about. Go on YouTube and search up the video. I was going to play a clip for you, but the guy never got back to me, so I didn't want to play his clip and him not be happy with that. But anyway, so right here, we'll go back to this yellow line. That's the time level where that's December 9th right there. That being said, that could be our news to make this plug-like run. We could have basically 2 insane or 1 insane weekly candlesticks come up, and we could literally go right to 1800. That would make total sense to me if we came up here and right into Christmas we reach this 1800 to 2000, and then towards the beginning of the year, January, we return back down. The reason I say that is because we return back to the mean. I'll run this from the low here, and that move should measure us back down to about 900 going into January, February. But that's basically all I wanted to say is you're looking for this higher price target, looking for any dip the week after next. So 1350 is the target for this week. And then you got to watch for the split news. I plan on playing weeklies. I might buy the December 23rds. I might buy like a $1,700 call, just something way out of the money, something super cheap, kind of treat it as a lotto because it makes total sense to me that this could do a plug-like move and it could reach that price target in such a short amount of time. And the premiums would just be absolutely insane, going 1300 all the way to 1800 to 2000. But I just wanted to share that with y'all. Like I say, it is not financial advice, it's just a complete trade idea. But to me, it makes total sense. Because I say, I'll pull up plug here again. That way you guys can see that and compare the two. So there's that chart. We have our 4 steps. This is the 3-year weekly time frame Tesla's on. This is also the 3-year weekly. So there's our 4 steps, and then you can see how like tight this up move is. Like you can draw a channel right there, which is exactly what I did to Tesla here. News drops right here. Say the news drops right here, December 9th, drives that price higher. Let me know what you guys think. If you're confused, comment below, join my Discord. I'm happy to answer any questions. But yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see what happens.